High five!
In this video, we are going to learn NEET's mnemonical way to remember the primary branches of axillary artery. Axillary artery is the continuation of our subclavian artery. So here this is the subclavian artery and here this is the axillary artery, which is the continuation of our subclavian artery. This axillary artery gives off 6 primary branches. They are the superior thoracic artery, the thoracoacromial artery, lateral thoracic artery, subscapular artery, anterior circumflex humeral artery, and posterior circumflex humeral artery. So these are all the primary branches of our axillary artery, and here is an easiest mnemonical way to remember those primary branches. Easily remember the primary branches of axillary artery.